Hi, welcome to this walkthrough of the Debut video capture software. This is my walkthrough. It's just me understanding how to use the software, really. If you want more support on this, I'd strongly encourage you to talk to IT help desk because they actually know what they're doing, unlike me. Right, things that I thought I discovered when I'm setting it up. So, the back of my mind, I've got this idea that I'd like to record, do a voiceover PowerPoint, or I'm recording part of my lecture because I want to make releases later for my students. When I'm setting it up, I've got this row here. I click on screen, and this gives me record the screen options. If I clicked on device, it would just capture what's coming in from a camera or something like that. Anyway, I want screen. If I wanted a snapshot, just to create a one image JPEG, I'll click on that button and it'll take a picture of the screen. So screen, I then decide on what my file format's going to be. The end result I normally push out as MP4 because most people have got players for MP4. However, and it's a small file. However, I'm going to record at AVI, which is a much larger file because it will give me better editing and I'll reduce it later. Other things of interest on this row are, do I want to capture the whole screen? And of course I would if for PowerPoint, or do I want to capture a subsection of the screen, which I might do if I want to do a walkthrough of a website or something like that. It's going to be PowerPoint, so I'll keep it there. Finally, before I start recording, I'll click on Options. And there's a couple of things in the options that I'm interested in. First, I want to make sure that under record, or record even, not record, I'm capturing the sound, and I've made sure my input channel is the microphone. It put the default one, but I make sure it's the microphone. And I've plugged my microphone in, and it's happily trundling away. In terms of the output area, again, I can have the option here of changing the AV to the output, but I've done that already. I could change the encoder options. I don't know enough about what's the most effective encoder, so I'm going to leave that and pass it across to IT help desk. I'm much better positioned for that. This destination folder tells me where it's going. It's going to create a folder called Debut and put them all in there. It's up to me if I want to change that. And I might want to change the file name to something a little bit more meaningful, and that would be fine. Transmit, general, and keys aren't areas that are of a particular interest or me even understanding. And then I'll be set. Then down here I'll click on the record button as I'm recording now. You can see the screen is all picking up there. I would then open up PowerPoint and off I'd go. I don't actually bother if I'm going to do it off like this one with ums and ahs. I don't bother using the pause. If I make a big hash up, I just leave a few seconds and then I start it again. And I'll just really control it with the stop button. And I'll do all my editing later on. Hope you've enjoyed the walkthrough.